AIRY reform by Fast and Furious production office in Madrid, Spain. It is a refurbishment in an old bakery in the Salamanca district of Madrid, for adapting for residential use. The project respects existing elements such as the anodized aluminum facade and some tiles that served the original counter. In the premise of doing work only with lines of force and essential planes, all elements considered annoying were eliminated. To achieve this, a radical technical condition is defined: everything new that is built, regardless of standards for executing divisions and modular furniture, must be done only with 12 and 20 mm steel bars and basic solid pine planks that can be purchased online. With these elements, and through surgeries on the existing steel, 2,000 kilograms of excess structure are eliminated and only the essentials are supported through a suspension system, executed with those steel bars working under traction. A new staircase is also designed and built without using screws. The construction condition also served for the design of custom furniture elements such as a mobile table and kitchen shelves.